Come test drive the 2024 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, power retractable running boards, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.